shit. Here we go. Hopefully don't cut out, bro. 6? Hey. You stable? Is the internet in the force? Yo, bro, I don't want no, hell no. I don't want no cloud in this force, bro. No. I can't have no crowd in this forest. I can't. Cause there's like monkeys in this forest and stuff. I gotta set this down.
Hey, no, we boss. You know,
yeah. I gotta set this down. I don't want no distractions, bro. Nothing. 1,000 more subs. So where the monkeys at?
What's up, cuz?
What's up? Bro, I promise you, bro, if they like...
Here we go, going.
Yeah. Like...
Oh, okay.
Oh, they right there. Oh my God. Damn, it's actually monkeys here. Can I feed them? Can I feed them?
I'm gonna feed them? No feed.
No feed? Chat, that's monkeys right there. Hey, y'all. What's up? Oh, what the fuck? Hell no, he just showed me his things. You can't feed no food? Yo, Chad, you can't feed no food, yes or no? Chad, stop saying it's you, bro. You can or no? Can you or not? Huh?
How long is this tunnel?
Oh shit, we gotta go in a tunnel.
Yo. How long is this? How long is the tunnel?
No, it's not. Chad, can you feed him or no? You good? Bro, what does he keep? Yo. The fuck? What the fuck going on? Bro, hell no. They tripping. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Do they talk? Bro, like, I want to give them like a banana or something. You can't feed them nothing? Shit. Can I give them a handshake? What's up, bro? Yo, bro, G. Hey, my guy. Give me a handshake. Bro, why none of these monkeys be fucking with me? You want a handshake? Bro, Chad, why is all these monkeys like that? Like, Chad, they don't even say nothing to me. Oh, it's a baby one. Oh, it's a baby. Oh my God. Bro, shut up, stop. Bro, I swear, bro, if these monkeys start freaking out because of these people, I swear, chat, if these monkeys start freaking out, chat, stop spamming it's you, bro, please. Like, y'all are being super weird. All right, chat, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I want to hold a monkey, y'all. I want to hold one. Just sit down. All right, chat, let me just sit down. Huh? Yo, that's a big ass one.
Bro, you need someone to work with.
Chat, I'm trying to have one sit on me. Come on, baby. Bro, how do I have a monkey come up to me? Bro, there's no way you can't give them food or nothing. Huh?
Maybe hold that next to you. It's empty, but they might not know.
Hey. Hey. I got corn on me. Oh, this sucks, bro. I wish I could feed these monkeys. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Yeah, let me sit next to him. Come on. Come here. Yes. Oh, hell no. You tripping. Hell no. I wish you could feed these mugs. If you could feed them, that would be perfect. Is it lagging? 25K? Okay, good. Oh, look, chat. He's cleaning them. Yo, this shit is crazy. Look at that one. He's on the top of the thing. God damn. Chat, these monkeys are crazy. What's up, bro? What's good? Hey. You gonna scratch your ass in front of me? That's it? Give me that shit. Wait. What? What?
Stay calm. Stay calm. No. We gotta put your earphone. Come. Relax. Please, calm. Please, calm.
Why'd he run after me there?